Are you looking for a pre-selling house and lot investment inside Nuvali? Well, today we're here in Avida Southdale Settings to feature one of their house models. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. We are here today inside Nuvali to feature Avida Southdale Settings, Avida's latest development inside Nuvali, Laguna. Now, if you are interested to get this property offers a no-spot down payment promo of 20% DP payable in 24 months, zero interest. Perfect para po sa mga investors, para sa mga taong gusto maglagay ng pera sa property at may extra cash sa bangko nila. Now, this property sits in a lot area of a minimum lot area of 125 square meters with a floor area of 67 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and you can park your 1 to 2 cars in the carport. So tara, simulan na natin, ikutin natin yung labas ng bahay. Okay, so as you can see, yung front po yung bahay po natin is single detached. So you have spaces all the way or sa bawat sides ng bahay natin, sa left and right side, sa unahan and sa likod. For our frontage, yung space natin sa unahan is 3 meters from your property line, starting here, pagkalagpas po ng sidewalk, all to the way the start of the house. And then sa sides po natin, we have a minimum space of 2 meters or setback from the property line all the way to our house, which gives you that ample space for airflow to go inside the house. Tapos meron kayong enough space para magtanim ng inyong mga landscaping na gusto. So as you can see, yung facade natin, yung design ng bahay natin is modern contemporary. And then nandito tayo ngayon sa ating 1 to 2 carport. So it depends on you if you would like to convert this into a 2 carport or 1 carport. But ang parking natin dito is magkatalikuran, so para magkasya yung dalawang kotse natin. Now, if you only have 1 car, you can utilize one side of the property. Maybe you can build on it, you can put a shed, you can put an extension of your kitchen or extension ng ibaba natin. Now, dito naman sa ating other side will be your provision for your landscaping. So ito bong space na to all the way sa gilid ng bahay, sa likod ng bahay natin, sa gilid ng bahay natin, you can put landscaping kasi napakaganda po yan, napakaluwag po niya, and you have that enough space. Now tara, punta tayo dito sa likod ng bahay. So here at the back will be your service area. Okay, you already have your provision para dun sa ating water source, nandito sa likod, and also your provision para sa ating saksakan. So dito sa likod po, you still have 2 meters setback from the property line all the way to your house so that you can construct or maybe put a dirty kitchen, a laundry, maybe a bodega para po sa inyong bahay. Now here on the other side will be your lanai or your space for your garden. So here you have an access door, a sliding glass door access going inside the house, going inside your kitchen so that you can have an indoor-outdoor space so you can put tables and chairs here. You can open this up and we can welcome your guests. So we're done sa labas ng bahay. Let's go inside. Before we enter the house, just a disclaimer, this property or this house that we're going to be viewing is the model unit. So some parts of the house is upgraded, is not included in the turnover. Now, if you would like to get photos or you would like to know about the actual turnover, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen or on the description box. We will be sending you the photos for the turnover or the actual turnover of this property. Now, as we enter, ito pong pinto natin would be our steel door, which is very high quality and good grade po siya. Long term po or long lasting po siya. Now, as we enter, we'll be greeted by our living area. Now, just to orient you kung ano ba talagang kasama sa turnover natin, our flooring will be vinyl tiles. Yung paint natin on the wall will be off-white or white paint. Yung finish po natin, it's not drop ceiling. It's gonna be a little bit more higher than this. But ang finish po natin here on the ground floor will be gypsum board. Now, so you can see the layout of our living, dining, and kitchen would be open layout, which is can be easily designed according to your liking, easily personalized according to what you want. So right here from our living area would be our dining area, which has an access going to the outside through this sliding glass door. So itong sliding glass door natin, you can open this up. Again, like what I said kanina, it can be your indoor and outdoor access dito sa loob ng bahay. Now, right beside our dining area would be our kitchen. Ang actual turnover po natin is wala po siyang cabinets overhead, but you have this countertop. This is your granite countertop, and you have your modular cabinet dito sa baba. You will also have this sink and also your faucet. Now, right beside our kitchen would be an access going to the back part of the property. This is also steel door, so long-lasting rin siya and high quality. Now, here on the ground floor, we also have the first toilet and bath. It's just a good size. So, ang actual turnover natin, we do not have the countertop here. You have your sink, you have your toilet. We do not have the glass enclosure. Same tiles. Ang tiles po natin is gray or grayish ang tiles natin. Ang paint po ng walls natin here sa toilet will be white or off-white. It's semi-gloss paint. And also, you have a shower and also you have a faucet dito sa ating bathroom. So we're done here in the ground floor. Let's go on the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. But before we proceed and show you around on the second floor, let's just admire the stairs. The stairs is made out of wood, and yung railings po natin is made out of wood, a combination of steel. So pag-akyat po natin, ang maganda rin po dito sa stairs natin is you also have your windows, one here and another here, so that it gives you that natural light, and hindi na po kailangan mag-ilaw during the daytime. Now, as we go up from the stairs, we'll be first greeted by the second toilet and bath in the house. Yung toilet and bath natin dito sa house is the same size as the one on the ground floor. Again, hindi po kasama yung granite countertop natin. We also have our sink, toilet, not included yung ating mirrors. The shower enclosure is not included, but all the rest, including the paint and also yung ating tiles, this is how it's going to look like. Again, if you would like to see photos of the actual turnover, we can send it to you. Messages us in the contact information posted on our description box. Now, here in the first bedroom, approximate size is around 6 to 7 square meters. It's squarish in shape. Kasya po ating single bed. So, ang ginamit po nila is single bed. And you also, naglagay rin po sila ng kanilang full-size cabinet. Now, if you want to house more people here in this bedroom, you can go for a double deck or a pull-out bed. Now, ang maganda lang dito, since single detached po to, all of the rooms in the house has 2 windows, 1 or 2 windows, or meron sila lahat na windows. Now, here on the second bedroom, it's rectangular in shape, slightly a little bit bigger, mga 7 or 7.5 square meters. You can place your semi-double bed, or a little bit bigger than your single bed. You can go double deck if you want, or pull out. Naglagay rin po siya ng full-size cabinet good for 1 person. They also put a small study table for their kid. Now, going to the master's bedroom, this is the biggest bedroom in the house. Approximate size around 8 square meters to 9 square meters. It's parang letter L yung shape po niya. You can fit your double bed here. Pag queen size, medyo siksik na po siya. Again, this house is made for people who are starting families, who would like to have a space in Nuvali. Now, for investment, pwede rin po siyang iparent. Especially here in Nuvali, maganda po yung rental rates natin for houses like this. Thank you for watching our video for today. If you would like to know more about Avida South Dale settings, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. You can also go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook, Instagram, and our LinkedIn account. Now, if you are still looking around and you would like to get updated about the properties here in the South, you can join our Fiverr community and WhatsApp community. The link is on the description box. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng ating video today. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!